and welcome to my channel. My name is Ano and I'm a web developer from Stockholm, Sweden. Today we were going to learn how to create your first website. I would like to mention that English is not my first language, so I apologize in advance if I make some grammatical mistakes. This video will be a beginner-friendly tutorial using the best tools available, including hosting, a page builder, and a fast, lightweight WordPress theme. Let's talk about web hosting and why it's so important. Web hosting is where your website lives on internet. Without a good hosting provider, your site could experience slow loading times, poor performance, and even downtime. Two great options are HostGator and Hostinger. HostGator offers you reliability hosting with great customer support, making it perfect for beginners. On the other hand, Hostinger is known for affordable plans and fast performance. It's a fantastic option for those who want a speed and value. Now, next we are going to use Elementor, one of the most popular page builder for WordPress. Elementor allows you to design beautiful professional websites without needing to write any code. It's beginner friendly with a drag and drop interface that make it easy to build and the type of website you want. And last of all, for our team, we are using Astra. Astra is lightweight, super fast theme that's perfect for WordPress beginners. It's fully customizable, SEO friendly, and works great with page builder like Elementor. This means your website will load quickly and look great on all devices. Before we get started, I would like to invite you to subscribe to our channel. Your support will help us create more advanced tutorials in the future. Also, we will place some affiliate links in the description below where you can sign up for hosting and purchase the great products and plugins for your WordPress site and discount rate. This helps us out financially so we can keep providing valuable content. Thank you for watching and get started. Now we see I make it my screen is really wide, so I make it a little bit compact to see all these providers. Now here we have like Hostinger, and they have really good. The only things you need to build your website is hosting provider and domain name. So if you Hostinger, you can buy both, and you press on web hosting and you will see that price. They are really affordable and they have really huge discounts. So about almost 80% of discount, and there you can buy as well domain. Second one, we talk about Hostinger. Is really huge, one of the best hosting providers, and if you have like your business in Europe, I think Hostinger is much better for you, choose because they have like servers in Europe and closest to your country it's better because your website is downloading quite fast. Then you can choose your language, prices, and everything. Or if you are living in this country. So we have to start with English because we are, or England, UK, because this is tutorial on English. Here is Elementor. They have really good version for free. So uh, you have a lot, so you can start for free with this account. Otherwise, if you want to buy, they have hosting as well. I never tried it, but I suppose they are really good. But about Page Builder, I work with Elementor Page Builder for maybe 6, 7 years, and it's really, really good. So it costs like for one website, it costs like $59 for the year. So I think it's really good for that amount, for that you get some products. And this other one, if you have like agency, this for the 1000 websites. So it's very good if you are building your website to other clients, so you can take the same amount for money. So you know. Now we have last one, and it's Astra Team. Astra Team, you have like premium or you have for free version team. They are really good. Like we said, it's a lightweight WordPress team. They are really fast and it's very good and easy to use. So now we will start. I will take off all this one screens. Sorry. Then I'll take this one out as well. This is my HostGator. I'm using HostGator a few years now. I will just start to December, and then I want to try with Hostinger as well. So I will try from next year with Hostinger. I usually start WordPress by going to cPanel. It's much easier for me, and I have a little bit more control when I start. So this is the file manager cPanel. It's called like a control panel. There you can see everything what's happening on backend on your websites. And we are going, you can go there with Staculus or a WordPress theme. We can try this one. I'll try install. And here, when you buy like domain name, you maybe need to wait some few hours that domain name gets registered. And here you can choose your domain name. And this is my company. It's in Sweden as well. It's web agency. And now we will place on my domain name like first page, like new domain name. But if you are by your domain name, you don't need to do nothing here. Just press directly in. Here you change the site name to your maybe first page, or here you can make like description about your company or something. Here you're changing like admin. I don't recommend this admin username because all sites on the internet today have lots of the attack by hackers and other things like robots and all the others. So admin is really popular. They always don't do admin 123 or something like that. Just you can write your name or just about your company name. We use this one. And this is really important is password. I always use like cryptic password, and this is 65 score. I want 100. I can paste my name or something, whatever you want to get that 100. So, and here your existing email account, my info. Don't place new one that you want because you must, when you register, you must maybe do some stuff with WordPress. So take existing account first, and then in some other video we will make how to place your own email address or everything like that. This is the language of the site. If you are in Sweden like me, you can use Swedish. If you want your website to be in Swedish, it's good to have Swedish. If you want your site like international, you can choose English is good or Spanish, big languages. I would use English today. This one we don't need right now. If you want to install some plugins in advance, you can do it, but we want so light that we can get, so I will install that. It takes a minute to install your first website. And I didn't tell you about the uh, username and uh, username and password. It's really good to keep it somewhere safe, like in some write it somewhere to you know all the time the email password you cannot forget. Otherwise, you must start again, like create new password or something like that. So this is your address. It's really to know when you have like a website page and you want to log in, you always start with your name of your domain name, and then you use like uh, wp/admin if you want to go to login page, login in your admin panel. So if you take off this one, if your company is called like first page or something like that, it will be https and then first page and then /wp/admin. Then you go through. So from now I can move on by clicking there, and we will get redirected to our admin panel. This is WordPress admin panel. You can do lots of great things here. And now I usually start when I work with my clients, and all the time when I build some new pages, I want to take off everything I don't need. We will start from the beginning, and I always starting by setting first the permalinks. You go in settings, permalinks, and I like most the post name, and it's mean. I don't get this ugly URL address. I get like just post name, and it's mean. If I go to about page, it will stay like divinoweb.com/about, just not so many uh, different letters and something like that. So I always use post name. Pressing save. Wait. So there is done. Now, next is the plugins. When you install WordPress plugins, you get lots of plugins you don't need right now. So I don't need all this one. So I will press like plugins. First, I need to deactivate them all. Apply. Then click again. Then delete them all. Yes. We don't need plugins. Plugins, you have some good plugins here, but right now we need very light theme. And if you download lots of plugins, that can make really slow your website. So it's really important to know good plugins. They have lots of different tutorials on YouTube. So for very good plugins for YouTube, but if you need always to download just the necessary plugins. You don't need to download all the time some other plugins. So appearance, here we have the themes, and when you download, you get lots of default themes here, like now this one, and this one we don't need because if they're upgrading all the time, you will get like email notice, you need to upgrade all these themes. So we need just one themes in our uh, themes. Yeah, we will delete this one as well, but not right now. Comments, you get comments if you have like some blog or something like that, but we don't need it right now. I move to trash, and then trash, we need to delete it. So, to trash. So, pages, we have all our pages now, and then you can add or remove the pages and everything like that, like home page, about, contact, different, but we'll talk about that later. Media, we have all images, logos, and everything. You can import new one by drag and drop or download from some file. Then we have posts. It's like if you have like blog page, you can write your posts. Otherwise, you can write here new posts and then just place in your website. So we don't need this one as well. So let me just remove from the trash. So that's everything. Clean website. Now it's looking our website. It's not so good, I suppose. There is this one. So uh, this is our website. It just defaults something like that. But now, yeah, sorry. So now we will install some plugins. And first one is Elementor. It's page builder. And this one, you see, it's about 10 plus million active installations. It means like over 10 million websites use Elementor, so it's improved how good page builder it is, and it's amazing actually. So we install it, then activate. If you don't want to buy account, uh, uh, you don't need to create account, so you don't need to register nothing. Just go back, and then we will install like starter templates. Yeah, this is starter templates. Otherwise, you can place Astra here. Astra, and you will get the same start templates there for WordPress, Elementor, page builder, and everything. So I'll activate. Now here we will build with templates. You can build with IE if you want. I never tried. It's really new feature. So we will do it with build with templates. We will choose our template. Try the new. I know I dismiss, and I want to try Elementor. Sorry, maybe my internet is quite slow. We'll wait a few seconds. Yeah. First of all, here you can choose. You have a like block editor. It's WordPress editor. It's default. I actually almost never use it. I always work with Elementor. I worked with Beaver Builder before, but I think Elementor is much easier and it's really easy to work with. So I will choose Elementor, and then you will get all these themes that work. So it's really important to choose your page builder before you download the theme. So here you can download all the themes. You have like premium themes, you have for free themes. So you can download, it's no money at all. And you can choose category if you want, like coaching, web designer, personal, like portfolio, CV, something like that. So it's lots of themes here, but I think I've used this one. It's about some traveling, outdoors, adventures, and something like that. When you press on it, we can choose now like default colors. So if you change, you will get all the colors of the. This will change to that one. So it's amazing how you can do lots of things with your website. So maybe I will start with this. It's outdoor, maybe blue, or maybe we can take like default red. Here you can change the fonts. I keep this one. Here you can download the logo, but then we can do it later. And I will show you how to download on the second way. So here we need just to press like continue button. Select features, we don't need it. Skip this step. My name is Dano. It's info. I am expert actually for WordPress. I do it maybe for my company. Install on Active Astro Team, yes, of course. And share non-sensitive data. No, we don't need to share. Nothing. If you want, you can share, but I don't share. And it takes maybe about a few seconds actually. It's going really fast to set up all this page for us. And this is amazing. You know, you don't need to do nothing. You get your own website really fast. It's about, I don't know if it takes 10 minutes to set up all this one to get this website, and it's done. No, it's really, really amazing. So now I will look how it's looking at appearance on theme. Yeah, Astra is default activate theme, so we can remove this one. And yeah, you can go here. No, if we download, we will get this theme. This is our home screen theme, and everything is done almost. You know, if you click about, we have about page, services, project, contact. So everything is there with contact form as well. This is amazing. And if we go now on the theme here, we talk a bit before about pages. You get all important this page in your that so you everything is set up as well. So now we will talk about menu. Menu, I usually do it from this side. It's much easier for me. You see everything here. First, you choose display location. You can make in the footer, but now in the footer we don't have menu, but it's primary menu. So you press on this key, you call your name, menu, whatever you want. Then you add to the menu. If you press something, we have all you can choose. So if I want to put some example, this like simple page, I give add to the menu, I get it here. So I can put it like sub menu like this one. If I press or I can put maybe services in the same about and project as well. You get like tree menu, and then we get like this line like drop down menu as well. So if I click save, you need always to save. So, and download the page again, we will get like that drop down menu, that simple page, and then we get two different and then contact. So it's really easy to work it. So if I want to delete this one, just press there on drop down accordion and then just remove it. If I want to move this one to get larger menu, sometimes I will try this one first and this one second. So then save menu, I will get on the same way. You just need to download, so you get like this one. Take action, you can, if you have like service company to book some appointment, you can link with some booking provider or something like that. Otherwise, you can call us, put some telephone number link so the customer can call by the click. So it's really easy. And we will do now that one. We are now, if you want to go about page and change it, uh, uh, you can go about page and just press edit with Elementor. We will change, but now we will work with homepage, and then we will press edit with Elementor. So taking few seconds. And this is some instruction that we can skip, but I think you can read. It's always good. Skip. And here on the left side, you can have like that all the elements, and this is you get for free from Elementor, so you can work like with basic website. It's for me it's quite okay, and you have now already done website, so you don't need a lot. This is like pro version. It's really amazing. You have really nice like gallery for the image and different stuff, animated text, price tables, and everything like that. And it's if you want to have really professional website, I recommend to upgrade. This is everything. Page here we get some still get some progress bar, social icons, still get some elements that for free ratings and everything like that. But now I will talk how to link, because this button it doesn't have link, so if you press you don't get nothing. So if I press in this one box, you have different box here. I will go to button and it's the edit button, and this is the link number. So here you can maybe uh, about page, you can write about us right there, and then you can just remove this hashtag. Hashtag you always done if you want to see button to get that click style, but it's not going nowhere. So we will need to press just about, and you will see all the pages here. Otherwise, you can move like if you want contact button. If you, no, sorry, contact. You have contact, you have project, service, about all the pages you have. So, but we don't need that. We need about page because we want to redirect about that button. And then you press publish. It's published, it's already done. If you want to move text, you just press in this box, on this box. So here you can write like hello world. Um, uh, if you're done with everything, you just get publish everything. So that is already done. Here is image. Fast thing to do if you want to duplicate the things. Uh, Actually, if we want like three images here with the same text, or not same text, but the same style. So just click on the second right button, yeah, on your mouse, and then you can just press duplicate. You get like three rows. Then you can change image. Maybe I want to take this one, select, get this one. You can change the text here. So, and then redirect them if you want to your that article you have like on the blog page or something like that. So I think it's really easy. If you want to remove the same and press delete. Right now I will keep it like 3. I like it a little bit more. And it's the same style. So I think it's always when you do something, I usually make one really nice. Then I duplicate them really fast and then I just change. So we get the same style but change the color and text. So it's much easier to work. And later on I will show you how to, because now if you want to change the footer you cannot. You must go out from Elementor because this is set up with our Astra themes. So it's really easy as well, but another way. So here I will talk you about, I will publish first. Responsivity, yeah. Here you have for the table, have this hamburger menu already done. Press, all your websites are there. You can scroll, not now, because if you are in Elementor, you cannot change the views. You must go out, choose the page, and then style it. But this is working really fine. About us, working. You see, you have like 3 pages here. Everything is really responsive and really nice, professional actually. So we go on mobile device. This is set up, done as well. If you want to change something, like here you have you have these small icons on a mobile device. So if you want to do it on the tablet or something like that, you will get, so you can change separately. So if you want to change as mobile, it's okay, and then will not change it on the tablet if you are satisfied with this screen, how it's looking. But I like them also. That is done. And then we can see our web page. Press here and view page. Yeah, and now if I press this about, we change button. I will go redirect to about page. It's really nice, and here you see you can make it responsive as well. So it's beautiful theme. Now, second, we talk about this footer. If you want to change something like Astra theme, and I think it's this menu and this footer, You just go here like customize. This is Astra Page Builder. You can do from here as well. If you want to change right now logo, you can press here, but I will show you first this one to change everything here. And you have design. Yeah, this is for the menu here, design. If you want to remove this button, you can do that as well. Uh, if you move logo, I will be redirected, but I didn't press here. So this is logo. You can change image here. I don't want to do that because I don't have logo now, but you can change there. And you have for Retina devices, so I recommend to change logo on the both the same. So if we go on the here, you can style something like this. You can place logo in the middle if you want. Yeah, but this will look really strange, so I will keep it like this. Otherwise, if you want to change that one, I will try to change it now. Uh, strange. I can do that later. If I go to footer now, down below, you see here, you can change everything you want here, like text. If you want to change, just press general. Press here something if you want to change, like here, info, your email. We can change number like 211 maybe, everything like that, and then just press publish. So if you want more features about Astra and this one to do that, you can upgrade as well, so you get much more things to work with here. But I think this is very, very, very enough actually. There, and what to do more? You see contact page now. You can do lots of things. I prefer to have, you see now, if we do like maybe if you want to have some, must go outside. And on contact page, we will talk about like contact form later on, but it's really, really spammy to have contact form. You must protect a lot. So I think it's much easier to have something like more connected to your email, because if you can link this email, and then he can go like with through the Gmail account, or some iOS account, or to have some maybe Outlook. So I think it's much less spammier, and to have like contact form in the beginning. So I will show you how to change and maybe put the map in your contact form as well. So Here, when we build something, we can use uh, this themes or blocks we have before. So we will not make some page. You can put all page you see here. That one, they are free because we have free account, but we want to use like block. And blog, maybe I will do some map if I find it. Contact form. You see here you have now with the map. So I think this one it's, let me see, some nice one. It's really nice to have map if you have like your company somewhere in, so it's really nice to have. I will take this one. So it's looking like this. I will import the block. So it takes so little time to do that. Now I don't like this maybe color. I want to have like colors like now. And I will try to put all this block inside here. I think it's working. No, it's not. So wait. Or try to delete all this. No. You take like elements and just drag and drop. It's not working. Why is not working? So it's two. No, huh. Okay, but we can do like this. If we removed all this content, okay. So strange is not changing anything. Then we place it in the middle of the screen. Sorry about that. Sometimes things are not working. No, wait, I want to have like bigger one, like 16. Then I want to have this one. One screen is 100%, so you need to have really good this one. So it's 100 there in contact here. So that's good. And then we want to place this image like here. We have, if we place here, if we check this padding here or margin, we will see what is. And here you say on the right is 60 pixels. If you want no margin there, we place just 0. But I like it a little bit margin, not so much, not 200, but 20. Item Again, the same mistake, sorry. 10, 40. So here you have like card, and then you can change uh, inside. Press here. You can change your address. So if I want like location like New York, you get New York. You can put your address. Then you can zoom maybe more inside if you place to see more. And then you can choose maybe 123 Fifth Avenue. If I will copy paste this one. So I will place here. I don't know if we have that number. Yeah, we have. It's this one. So press there. So you can, if you make it like less zoom, it will see much higher up. Then you can choose. Then we talk about email, and this is important to make some link. Change the link. We have this one. It's called how it's called is ours was info. It is in the footer. Then you will use Markdown. I will make the link. I will write to mailed to. This is like code. Then I will put inside info.example.com, and then I will click publish. You can do the same with your telephone number. If you press here, we can copy this number. And if we want to have link for the telephone number, it's good for to have like that button up. If you want to connect someone, call you, just press tel, like telephone. Then you need to write the, I don't know what is the number for the United States right now, but here in Sweden it's 0046. Then we can put that number, replace, and then just remove this, how it's called, slash. So it's always start like that, telephone, dot dot, and that's the number is the same, and then you press just publish. So we link them both that one. So you see my I get that cursor pointer now, and if someone wants to write email, you get the same. This two you going to do with this social icons. If I press here, if I don't have Twitter and YouTube, and I want maybe Instagram, I press here plus, then we go there, I write here in Instagram, and then I will push insert. So we have Instagram there, but we need to make link as well. So you need just to copy your Instagram link from the browser, like copy like this, and just paste inside here and the link, so you get Instagram link. Otherwise, it's empty. And I said hashtag you need to remove because it's not going on. So I think this is much less spammier than to make with contact form. Right now for the beginner I like more, actually I with some professional website I prefer to use this one, just to link with email, and then you get redirected to some Outlook service or Gmail account, so it's much less spammier. So One more thing, if you want to change like style, we have like that before. We have like that gray style. Just go on the styles, SSF filter. Here we can change the styles, brightness, contrast, everything. So if I want to have gray, here just remove. So I think it's much better with that one. Otherwise, you can do the hover effect. You know, hover, when you hover it over the screen, it will get maybe color. So do the same. Hover, press here, and then we will make that's okay now. So we will get hover effect, maybe some slowly motion to get for the half of seconds to change the color. You see, when you hover it, you get that nice smooth effect to changing. And you can do everything with your buttons and everything like that to do this. And don't forget to publish. So if we go to our website and okay, it's not there. We'll do it from here. So we get that style now. Hover, Instagram accounts, and if it customer press, otherwise you can put like one more like email here icon if you want. Telephone number, someone press, it will get like pop up here, but you need to connect for the, if you are from the desktop or tablet, it's more difficult. You need to have some connecting WhatsApp or something like that. But if you're doing from your telephone, which we get directly to telephone number, just press call. So that's all I think we get. And we talk about this button. We will change it maybe for the telephone number. Uh, if you press here, you can make change call us, and then just like I said before, we just put some tel, it's like link, dot 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 dot, then 0046 0. You don't need just 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. That's everything. Publish and close. So if you want to call, you see now, if I press here, hover it, I will see in this right left corner down below, I will get the link. Just watch there when I hover it. You will get that telephone number you write. So if I press it, I will go directly to telephone number from my mobile phone or something like that. So I don't see it on our small screen. You see, I don't see that effect. And we can do like this again, customize. I press here, visibility. No, it's not visible there. But we must go. Did I have here as well, I think. Yes, it's here. It's this one button, I think. When I press here, call us. There you can put above, uh, or maybe below is nicer. Then we press on it. We need to make some design, and design will get like right. So we write top, maybe 10 pixel, then bottom 10 pixel, then left maybe 10 pixel. Right we don't need because right side. So we'll see how it's looking. It's not happen, but yeah, it doesn't. It's not need to change its margin. Sorry. So margin is that one that you see outside the element. So uh, uh, there we need to change. I apologize. And here it's nothing, nothing, and nothing. So you have really nice call us button on your mobile screens. We need to publish, and if you press mobile, I think it's the same. Yeah, call us button on your mobile screen. So everything is working fine. So right now, that's all actually. You have all, just you need to change the content and you have like your own website done. So you can change, we go like menu, how to change, footer, how to change, color and the themes, how to change, hovering, effects, we changing the text, we have duplicate, like image, and everything content we know how to delete, so we go everything. So you need to just change text and you have your own website on the internet. I hope you will enjoy. I'm again, I apologize for my English. It's difficult sometimes because it's my and our first video live, so I hope you will subscribe to our channel and I hope I help you a little bit to understand how is WordPress beginner friendly sort. So I will place affiliate links below in description, and I hope so you will help me, I will help you with other videos later on. So we will start to make some new features for the maybe more complicated blog page or to get some web shop, and I will find the best practice and best way to you achieve your goals like beginner or like web developer that's develop your agency. So have a nice day and thank you. Bye.